longer a genuine minority, you would be considered an obstructionist. Thank you.
Hindi pa niya nakikita yung supposed na ebidensya laban kay Duterte, tutol na agad siya, and we know na he shares the sentiment of other DDS senators, lalo na yung nasa minority. Kasi sinabi niya naman yan from the very start. Pag sinunog mo siya, amoy Duterte siya.
May kanya-kanya kaming isip, may kanya-kanya kaming gawa, may kanya-kanya kaming staff.
So, hindi yung Duterte move, sir. Yung
Kami ang Duterte kami. Oo, di ba malinaw naman siguro yun. Kahit sunugin mo ako dito, mangangamoy Rodrigo Roa Duterte ako, di ba?
Kumbaga, his loyalty is to the Dutertes. Kahit na sabihin niya, para yon sa Pilipino, ganyan-ganyan. Dapat nga, at the very least, he keeps up the appearance na titignan ko muna yung ebidensya bago ko magsalita tungkol dito. Pero, ano magagawa natin? Wala eh. Binoto yan. 6 years ang boto dyan. So, 6 years natin siyang titiisin.
How do you feel, sir, about this? Ang daming dapat na
Ako,
tinatrap.
yung sana magulo masyado ang bansa natin, masyado tayong maraming problema. Kung sana, ako, I have said it time and again, kayo ko impeachment.
But, since mukhang akit siya,
Sakit siya, wala tayong magawa.
what can the people expect from you, sir? Neutrality and fairness, sir.
I will base my decision on pieces of evidence presented.
Pero let me reiterate, alam naman natin na si VP Sara hindi i-impeach ng Senado yan. But at the very least, malalaman natin yung ebidensya for and against her. And kahit na sabihin yung politika yan, kung the evidence points at something nefarious, at something irregular, at least malalaman ng taong bayan. And matagal ko nang sinasabi yan from the very start. Wala akong pake kahit na ma-acquit si Sara sa Senado. Basta malaman lang natin yung argumento for and against VP Sara.